Once again, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Festus Imawale. Today, I'll be taking you on how to transfer funds from your Alipay to another Alipay account, or how to receive funds from Alipay account. So basically, this is the Alipay app on my phone. So I click on it to open. Now, remember, I said in our previous classes, I told you that as a foreigner, what you need to do in Alipay is to go to your Toll Pass account. Toll Pass. Now, when I get to Toll Pass, they get to show me how much is my balance in my after my previous transaction. This is my current balance on my Alipay account. If I want to add up, I showed you about topping up your Alipay in my previous video. If you have not seen the video, you can go and check my channel, and then you will get the video on how to top up your Alipay account. Now, in my next video, I'm going to talk about this validity period when you top up money. Now, but the essence of this video is basically to explain to us. This video is to tell us how to transfer and how to receive funds using your Alipay. First of all, if you want to make payments to someone in China or to an agency, if the person sent you a code or you want to scan the person's code through which you can give out the payment, you can see where the right says scan to pay. So I click on scan to pay. When I click on scan to pay, it's trying to look for a scan code, but unfortunately there's no scan code. All I need to do is simple. I can come here, I select from my album, and then I'll select the scan code that the person sent to me, and this is me trying to send money to myself or try to pay myself. I click done, and when I'm clicking done, it tells me sorry, you cannot transfer to you because that scan code was my own scan code. But if you are using somebody else's scan code, it will pop to you up that how much do you want to send to the person. Now basically the next question I want to do is, it says I cannot transfer to myself. Now if you are using your own, all you need to do is simple. It will tell you transfer. It will say transfer the amount you want, type the amount you want to transfer to the next person. So basically, before you say done, for now, I'm not going to be able to make this transaction because I am transferring to myself. So I said, okay, now confirm. That is that for making transfer. Now the next level is that you want to start back how to receive your money. If somebody, you want to send a code for someone to pay you money, all you simply do is click here. When you click on this link, it comes out with your profile picture at the middle telling you this code. If you want to receive money from anybody, this is the code you are going to scan and send to them. All you simply do is to come here and type how much are you expecting to receive. Let's assume I'm expecting to receive additional 200. I said okay. When I say okay, it will tell me on the yuan page that this is 200 scan code. That means anybody that scanned this thing that wants to pay me automatically will pay me the sum of 200 yuan. But then I can click save. When I click save, automatically I will be able to save. I'll be able to save this thing this URL. I'll be able to save this scan code to my phone. So with it being saved on my phone, I'll be able to transfer that thing to anybody anywhere in the world, and the person will be able to make that credit of 200 yuan for me. Now I go back, and that is how it is being done using your scan code. Or you can come here and say payment code. It's almost the same thing. I click here, still the same place, transfer money. Let me quickly talk about this one. Transfer money to Alipay or to other bank accounts. The first one we talked about was receiving your money, where you have to generate your code, which I explained before, where you generate your own barcode, your own code, where the person will have to pay. I said you can type in the money that you want the person to pay. Now I take you back a little more. You have this one, transfer to Alipay splash card. I can click on this arrow here. The very moment you click on it, it will pop you up with some. It's loading. What's wrong with the network? Okay, now it pops you up with this place. Fortunately, my phone did not translate this for me at the moment, But I'll just explain what this does. This symbol here alone tells you that this place is to transfer money from your Alipay account to another person's Alipay account. If the person sends you the detail of what you are to send, all you need to do is to click on the arrow. Now all you do is that you are required to enter the person's email address or the phone number that is related to the person's Alipay account, and when they enter it here, it gives you next, and there you go. The amount of money you type will determine the money that will be taken from your account and transferred to the other person's account. But I'm not transferring now, but just for the essence of this video is tutorial. So I come down again. The next option is to send to someone on your list. So I click here. If you have a list of people that you have saved their contact before now, fortunately I do not have anybody that I've sent money to, so I will not be able to use that one. Now the next thing is that you want to send money. You can see the symbol again. This one is sending a symbol to a bank card. Let's assume you have a certain amount, a card you want to transfer money to. I can click on the arrow here, and then they ask me to enter the card details that I want to transfer money to from my Alipay account down to the card. Fortunately, this is just a video of tutorial and explanation. I'm not doing any of this today, and anytime I want to do any of them practically, I will still show you a video of how it works. So basically, for now, to receive your phone, you need your own QR code by entering the money. And then the second one is for you to be able to send or transfer, you need the person's barcode or you need the person's email address. So if you're doing, I can enter the person's email address. But basically, if I like using most is scan to pay. I like using the scan to pay method. If I click on the scan to pay method, all I need to do is simple. Come to Arbon and select the person QR code that has been sent. Yes, these are the QR code. The QR code that have been sent to me, and I click on done. Are you getting me? That means this QR is saying that is for 200. So the very moment I say done, try to detect it, and here we go. I cannot send money to myself. All right, that is how it's done. Now, thank you very much for watching our videos. If you enjoyed the video, please ensure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I promise you, more will be coming your way. And if you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section, and I will give you a reply as soon as possible. And if you want me to do a video of anything that you're thinking about Alipay, kindly let me know.